Hello guys, we will know about cryptocurrency, 6 seconds for each questions, try to full score. Please subscribe the channel. Question number 1. Who said Bitcoin is used for funny business and must be regulated globally? Answer option B. Christine Lagarde. Question number 2. Every year, Bitcoin uses as much electrical energy as which country? Answer option C. Chile. Question number 3. Who accused Bitcoin.org of copyright infringement and demanded them to take down the BTC white paper? Answer option D. Craig Wright. Question number 4. Who added Bitcoin to their Twitter bio in January, causing the crypto to surge? Answer option A. Elon Musk. Question number 5. How much Bitcoin did Tesla announce it had bought in February? Answer option C. $1.5 billion. Question number 6. Why was Tesla criticized for its big Bitcoin buy-in? Answer option A. It makes Tesla stock too risky. Question number 7. In February, which major company announced it would allow cryptocurrencies to be used as a payment method? Answer option A. MasterCard. Question number 8. What did Dogecoin co-founder Billy Marcus say about the joke coin's recent price surge? Answer option A. The community has been taken over by rampant greed. Question number 9. Which company invested $5 million in Bitcoin and predicted the price will hit $500,000? Answer option B. The Motley Fool. Question number 10. What's the most popular NFT marketplace right now? Answer option A. NBA Top Shot. Question number 11. How much profit did Coinbase make in 2020? Answer option C. $322 million. Question number 12. In which country can you now use crypto to buy McDonald's? Answer option A. Japan. Question number 13. Which company refused to pay a 500 BTC ransom? Answer option B. Tether. Question number 14. Crypto.com announced that it's going to sponsor a sports team, but in which sport? Answer option C. Formula 1. Question number 15. Which band released its latest album as an NFT? Answer option B. Kings of Leon. Question number 16. And finally, Bitcoin hit a new record high on February 21st. What price did it reach? Answer option C. $58,330.